Now we are going to focus on setting up the navigation menu. After you set up your product and pages, it's time to establish your navigation menu. You can add your navigations to a Shopify store by going to the online store sections in the left side menu here, then clicking on Navigation. In the navigation sections, you'll see a list of navigation menu that you have set up for your store. Click on Menu or Link List. Help your customer navigate around your online store. Then moving on the main menu and the footer menu. These are the two default menus that come with your online store and show up on your every page. Note that the default menu for your online store allows you to add, delete, or alter menu item. Now let's look at footer menu. Typically, the footer menu is shown as a wide array of options. For information about your store policy, a customer will likely to check your footer menu. Next, if you want to help your website visitor to find what they're looking for more easily, add the search bar to the menu. Search bars are especially helpful if you have a lot of products or pages on your site. Going on, every page on your online store has a main menu. Typically, the main menu is displayed as a list of things in a sidebar or as items across the right of the header. To access your item and company information like a About page, a consumer will likely check your main menu. Your main menu has a default menu item like a home page, which is your main page on your online store. Then the next is catalog. This is the page that displays all of your products. And contact here. Now you want to add a new menu to your online store. You can do this by clicking Add Menu button. Let's take a look at our example in how to create a new menu item in the main menu. Okay, click on Main Menu, then you see the interface like this one. You can add, edit, and delete your menu item by clicking on this button here. To add menu item, click on here, and then you see two boxes here. You can link two pages on your own page as well as external pages. For example, if you want to add collections named Men Watches, here you type the menu item name, Men Watches, then click on the link, click on collections, and choose the one that you want to add. Here I add Men Watches. You can also arrange the order of your link by clicking and dragging them into desired order like this one. When you are happy with your navigation menu, click on Save Menu button to save all your changes. You can also repeat this step to set up an additional navigation menu if needed. Once your navigational menu is set up, it will appear on your website main menu, allowing customers to easily navigate to the different sections of your store. In order to see how your store changes, go back to Online Store, click on View Your Store Online, then you see navigation menu that you have set up here. Back to the dashboard and do further steps to set up your Shopify store. After watching this video and working on your online store, I hope you like how your store looks right now. Thank you so much for watching, and in the next video, we'll instruct you on how to choose and customize your theme. Hope you will like it.